Equivalent fractions using number chips. This is a digital lesson, and this one is New Year's themed. So the lesson starts with explaining how to simplify fractions. So you want to divide the numerator and the denominator by the largest common factor. And they're going to practice that on slide 3. So here they have all the number chips they need in order to simplify these fractions. And to move them, they just click and hold on the edge, and then they can move them into place. So here, if we divide the numerator and denominator by 2, we get 1/8. And they're going to do that with all 4 fractions. Now, every slide has every number the students need. So if they get to the end and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So they're going to do the same thing, 4 more fractions on each of the next 2 slides. Then they're shown what to do if they have a fraction greater than 1 to change to a mixed number. So they're just going to divide. 8 goes into 12 one time, so that's their whole number, with 4 8s left over. And then they have to simplify the 4 8s. So here are their whole numbers here on the left. So 7 goes into 30 4 times, which is 28, and that means they have 2 7ths left over. And they have to remember that they may have to go ahead and simplify once they get this fraction. Then they're shown what to do if they have a mixed number and they want to change it to a single fraction. So here they have 6 1/2. They're going to take their denominator, multiply by their whole number, and add the numerator. That denominator stays the same. And they're going to practice that on the next slide. Now when they get down to slide 10, just for fun, they have a New Year's riddle. Where can you practice multiplication tables on New Year's Eve? And they're just going to put these letter chips into the correct place to solve the riddle. So if they get all of the slides done, that gives them something fun to do at the end that relates to New Year's. So this is a New Year's version of equivalent fractions using number chips.